Hey everyone, my name's Bblonde. I'm a blonde specialist based in London and have been colouring hair for over 12 years. The biggest struggle that I face every day is trying to achieve the perfect blonde for all of my clients and their different hair types. But luckily for you, you don't have to learn how to colour everyone's hair. All you have to know is how to colour your own. So I'm here today to offer some tips and tricks on how you can achieve your perfect blonde. Hi guys, today I've got Alex with me, who's a long-time customer of Jerome Russell's Bblonde. Alex has been lightening his hair at home for the last almost 10 years and recently transitioned over to the Charcoal Blonding Kit. Today I'll be using the 30 vol, which will ensure a really clean and bright lift, making sure that there's no damage. And today I'll be going through some tips and tricks on how to safely lighten your hair at home using this color kit. So now I'm going to introduce you to the Charcoal Blonding Kit, which comes packed with everything you need to safely lighten your hair at home. It comes with a bleach powder, a cream lightener, a tray and a whisk. It also comes with the black ice shampoo and conditioner. It also comes packed with instructions, but don't worry because I'm here today to teach you exactly how to do it for yourself. The new Charcoal Blonding Kit helps to neutralize the warmth as it lifts, giving you an icier finish to make sure that your hair is cleaner. Now I'm going to talk you through how I like to mix the colour. The thing that I like to look for the most is to make sure that there's no lumps and clumps in my colour. I like to keep mixing until everything is really consistent and you form a nice paste. Now you'll notice this kit comes with a 30 volt. This makes sure that it slows down the process and allows time for the charcoal to really activate to neutralise the warmth. Okay, so now we've put on a nice gown on Alex. I really want to make sure that you guys at home are using an old towel or a gown to make sure that all of your clothes are protected. You'll also find gloves at the back of your instructions in your kit. So now we're going to start applying the colour. Now Alex, when was the last time that you did your roots?
It was about 5 weeks ago. Yeah, I usually like to wait around 4 to 5 weeks.
Yep. Anything between 4 to 8 weeks is what I like to apply my scalp lighteners on. And I also make sure that I'm not going any further past the regrowth line to cause any overlapping, which can also lead to damage.
Yeah, a good way that I've kind of figured out how to do my hair at home when I'm doing my roots and I don't want to overlap is I'll put like a mirror in front of myself and then a stand-up mirror behind so I can see the back of my head, or else it's just impossible.
So another way that I like to make sure that every strand of hair is evenly coloured is by going with really fine sections using the tail end of my brush. So Alex has been processing for about half an hour with one of our development cups, which you'll find in your kit. Now that I've taken it off, we're going to let it kind of cool down a little bit. And I'm also just going to come and check the roots. Now what we're looking for is a nice and even consistent colour from roots to ends. Now as I can see here, it is still slightly a little bit warm, which tells me we're going to process this for about another 20 minutes. Now in the interim, what I really like to do is also apply a little bit of a mask or a conditioner on the ends just for some extra hydration and protection. So now that Alex's bleach has fully developed, it's time to rinse. So I'll be using the black ice toning shampoo to remove any unwanted brassy tones that might be left over. So as I'm rinsing this, I like to use slightly cooler water just because your scalp can be slightly sensitive after a scalp bleach. I don't think it has ever been so white. The good thing about this is that it doesn't actually stain your hands like a normal purple shampoo would. But again, you want to be super quick and really thorough when applying it, and don't leave it on for too long. Now it's all shampooed, I'm going to go through and towel dry really well to make sure that the mask, which is our final step, can really penetrate into the hair nicely. Now I'll be using the black ice toning conditioner, which will still remove any slight unwanted brassy tones while hydrating and keeping it super moisturized. So once the mask is all on, I like to give it a good brush through to make sure all the product is evenly distributed. Now it is recommended you leave this mask on for up to 4 minutes, but again, it's completely up to you and whatever you're comfortable with. And we're back with Alex, and as you can see, the blonde is definitely blonding. The hair feels super hydrated and super strong, and it's definitely a lot brighter and wider. I'm not sure if you remember, but we had a slight regrowth band with a little brassiness, and I definitely think the black ice shampoo and the black ice mask has definitely helped in neutralizing that warmth in the undertone. Alex, how do you feel?
I feel so much brighter, and also it feels so silky as well.
Amazing. And I'm scared to ask, do you think I did as good of a job as what you would do at home?
Almost.